and welcome to the Soap Kitchen. Today we are going to be making shower steamers. We have designed and chosen this recipe as a quick and easy make to transform your shower time. Let's go through our ingredients. We have 600 grams of bicarbonate of soda, 250 grams of citric acid, and we are going to use 125 grams of cornstarch. Then we have our pink and purple coated mica and a wonderful blueberry and thick fragrance oil. Let's get started. Wearing gloves, add into your bowl your bicarb, citric and cornstarch. Give them a good mix, ensuring all ingredients have combined and you break away any citric lumps. Next, we are adding in 50 grams of our refreshing blueberry and fig fragrance oil, which is part of our Wonder range. Using your hands, mix in your fragrance oil. Make sure you break away any lumps that may have formed. You want to ensure your fragrance has dispersed throughout. Then, carefully split your mixture into 3. For this recipe, we are going to have a white part, so we want to separate roughly a third of our mixture into each bowl. I've put our white one to one side and now we can mix in our colours. Starting with our pink, gently sprinkle in some of your mica. This is down to preference, so start small. Give it a good mix and build your desired colour, ensuring you break away any lumps and get to the bottom of the bowl to include all of the mix. Once you are happy, repeat with your purple mica. We have created a nice pastel purple to go with our pink and white. Next, we are going to add a gentle spray of water to help achieve the correct consistency. We want to aim for a snowball consistency. The best way to describe this is when you squeeze some of your mix in your hand, it holds together like a snowball. We are using a simple spray bottle. Working on one colour at a time, spray from a distance and mix immediately so it doesn't start to react. Make sure you include any excess at the sides and mix until you get the correct consistency. As you can see, this one is ready. Then, work on your next bowl. You have to do this in quick succession as the mix will start to harden. Again, looking for a snowball-like consistency so it holds together nicely. Then, repeat with your final bowl. Now, we are going to grab our mould. We have chosen our heart mould and we are going to use one single half to create a nice flat finish. This step is where you let your creativity take over. You can plan it and have it styled, or like us, you can wing it and create some beautifully unique patterns. Just simply take a small pinch of each colour and layer your shower steamer. Try to use an even amount of each colour so you don't get left with one colour at the end. Fill the middle of your steamer, ensuring you press down to remove any air gaps. You want your finished shower steamer to be quite compact. Once you are happy, slide your bowls to one side and find yourself a nice flat surface. Then, using a flat edge tool, we are going to use our soap cutting tool, but you can use any flat edge tool for this. We are going to scrape away the excess. You just want to carefully slice around the top to leave a smooth edge. Then, gently flip over your mould onto the surface. Give it a simple tap on top and carefully remove your mould. It may stick slightly, so just tap it gently to help it release. As you can see, you have created a beautiful shower steamer. Repeat until you have used up all of your ingredients. Leave your shower steamers to completely solidify, preferably overnight. Once solidified, simply place your steamer in the bottom of your shower and let it work its magic.